everybody. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. And you know what? Whoa. You know what? Valentine's Day is just right around the corner. And so today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little Valentine hearts out of pipe cleaners. So all you need is 3 pipe cleaners of your choice. I'm using red here. And then you need something that's kind of thin. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the pipe cleaner around. For this one, it's kind of a little discombobulated because what I used is graduated as far as size. Like it's fat here and then it gets skinny. And that doesn't work. So whatever you choose, try to choose something that is the same width all the way down. You could probably use a pencil. Pencil may be a little big though, but I'm going to use this paintbrush and I'm just going to wrap the pipe cleaner around. Like so. And then I'm going to do that with another pipe cleaner. Okay, I'm going to take that off. I'm going to repeat here. So while I'm wrapping this around, I have a question for you. What are you doing for Valentine's Day? Do you like to celebrate it? Or are you like my daughter? She's married and has 4 children. She's very busy, but she's not a Valentine fan. She says it's just a way for companies to make money. And you know what? She may be right. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to get these. These need to be the same size. So I'm going to kind of tighten this a little bit. My daughter-in-law's birthday is actually the 13th. And then my son, her husband, his birthday is the 23rd. So they're going to go out, but they're not going out on Valentine's Day. And I don't think we are either. Okay, once you get them wrapped and about the same size, you're going to take your other pipe cleaner and you're going to stick it through the hole there. Just thread it through, and you're going to do the other one. Okay. And then you're going to center them. And then I just like to take these guys and I'm going to try to center them here. And we'll shape our heart here in just a minute. But right now we're going to twist this all the way down. Okay, now we have this. So basically you're just going to shape it into a heart. And it would be fun to make a little bouquet of these to give to somebody special. You know, something else you could do is maybe put beads on it before you did this, and so they would be have little beads on them. That would have been fun to do. I wish I would have thought about that. Huh. All right, so that made me want to try it. So I got out some purple pipe cleaners and then some yellow and green beads, which surprisingly they fit on here pretty nicely. And we're going to have us a Mardi Gras heart. You know, Mardi Gras and Valentine's Day always seem to come about the same time of year. I tried to use seed beads, like those little E-beads, but those holes were too small. I probably could have found some that would have worked. But basically what I'm doing here is just putting these beads on. And I've got, what, about an inch or so between each bead here. See, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads. 1, 2, there's 4. I have to get some more yellow beads. Oops, 5. 6. Let's move these down a little bit. Oh, maybe not. I think I'll have enough beads here. I won't have to go digging around for some more yellow beads, which I do have plenty. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? Okay, let's move these. And get them where they're pretty even. They don't have to be exact even. Let me put these beads away before they wind up on the floor. And let's see, where's my paintbrush? This one will work. We're going to wrap it around. I'm going to be careful not to slide those beads around. They would be really easy to slide around. I hope this works. Oh, wait, I'm going to wait and make sure that these things are even. And it may be a little wonky because I can't tighten this pipe cleaner around this very well, but I think it's going to be okay. All right, let's see. It does make it a little bit more difficult to thread this pipe cleaner through because you run into the beads a little bit, but I think it's doable. Whoops, almost, not quite. Let's see. Might need to use some pliers to get in there and pull that guy out. There we go. All right, let me get the other one on. All right, so we've got them on there. Now I'm just gonna go like this. I hope this works because this will be really cool if it does. All right, now we gotta shape this into a heart. It's gonna be a little bit bigger of a heart because we had to make the strands a little bit longer and wider, but you know what? I think it's going to work. How fun. And you could put more beads on there if you'd like. There, we got our little Mardi Gras heart. Let me mess with this a little bit, and then I'm going to show you how I plan to display them. There we go. Malabar is holding hers. And Sparkle Plenty is actually looking through hers. And here's one of my Mardi Gras queens holding on to the heart. For those of you who collect Blythe dolls, my sister and I are actually hosting a virtual Blythe retreat taster starting on February the 17th. And we're going to turn our little dolls into Mardi Gras queens for the crew of Blythe. If you're interested in that, I will leave information all about it down in the description box below. But anyway, I hope y'all go and make you some hearts, and thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.